Yeah.
Didier is on the pitch because he just played 10 minutes yesterday. He scored a great free kick, but he's training this morning. But Yaya is here. Yaya, come. Come on, Yaya. He's the big guys at the moment.
Right.
Yeah, fine.
Good stuff, man. So you guys, how you feeling? Everybody feeling good?
Yeah, we feel great. They're taking care of us very, very well. We are really happy. It's a great facility.
We'll be with you guys in spirit down there in Rio for sure.
Thank you. We have a big present for you here. You know, this is the team, you know, shirt signing by everybody. And we're going to give to Brian here to lead that for you, of course. So
all right, Brian, make sure I get my shirt, man.
I'm going to hold that. I may wear this out tonight. Thank you, sir.
All right, where's the coach?
The coach is on the pitch as well. He's doing training with our players.
Right. Good stuff. Hey, well, we appreciate it, man, and good luck to you guys, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you.